Victor. I'm the owner-operator of Moto Club Santa Monica and also partner of Ducati Santa Barbara. And today is our second Moto Club VIP Track Day, collaborating with Alpinestars.
This is my second time at Chuckwalla, both times with Victor.
Hi, I'm Angela, and this is my first time at the track. I'm having so much fun so far.
You know, I'm already in love with that. I can already see myself coming here again.
It's invitation only. It's been this community that I've cultivated over the last 10 to 15 years.
What can you say bad about the guy? The guy hasn't built a motorcycle store, he's built a community. So good on you, Victor. I'll be back.
Customer experience, incredible motorcycles, quality time, giveaways, amazing content.
Hey, what's up? Heath from Alpinestars here. We're at the Moto Club Santa Monica Track Day. Angela won this suit today. Today was her first time ever riding a track, and she needed a suit. And so she's wearing a Stella Missile Tech Air compatible suit. So why not have the best protection possible? Tech Air offers that, especially to new riders.
So here we have a very controlled environment, and there's many things happening. I mean, there's very experienced riders here, there's new riders here, there's a ton of female riders here. These days are days you don't forget. What we do to provide our customers with these experiences, no one else seems to be doing this. Another thing that's really special about today, the all-new 2021 Aprilia RSV4. But we have the opportunity today to be the very first to use this all-new flagship motorcycle from Aprilia in North America for the first time in the entire country. So that's pretty epic.
I think hands down it is one of the greatest motorcycles of all time.
Hi, I'm Key. I'm just here with Moto Club of Santa Monica, and I brought a bunch of friends here today to ride for this track day. A few of them actually brand new track riders. I'm really excited about that. And thank you, Victor, for putting this together.
You just gotta go out and do what you love.
Yeah, so I just want to say thank you to everyone who joined me today. Really humbling, super amazing. We're gonna do this again, so thank you very, very much.